Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and hello. I'm Muhaimin binti ALAHA with metric number CE200161. So now I will introduce my group first before I go further about this assignment. For your information, I'm from group 4 and this group have 4 members. First name is me, Muhammad Amir binti ALAHA. Second is Muhammad HAIKAL bin AZMI with metric number CE200123. The third is Muhammad IZZUL HAKIM bin SUHAIMI with metric number CE200081. And lastly is Muhammad Muhaimin bin Ahmad Fazri with metric number CE200124. So, our group need to make one assignment about the industrial automation production line. My group have been selected to make presentation about chemical industry. So first, before we make this presentation, we need to find what chemical production line make it. So we decide to choose Repsol for the company we want to analysis about their production line. So this is a background of company, little bit background of company of Repsol. Their name of company is Repsol Oil and Gas Malaysia Limited. Their location at 165 Jalan Ampang, Kuala Lumpur, 50450 Kuala Lumpur, Wilayah Persekutuan Kuala Lumpur. And this is a little bit about the Repsol. So this company has started as an oil and gas company in 1987, and they focusing on exploration, production, transportation, and refining. They also create a distinct identity in a market where generic product were common and quality didn't affect consumer choices. So now we jump to their organization chart. As you know, Repsol company have found at Spain. So you can see at this all their high official is from Spain. And also you can see at here their name and their position at Repsol. Such as Antonio Brufo as a chairman and Josu John Imas as CEO. So that's all from me. Now I will pass to the next member for the next presentation. Thank you.
Hello, Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhaimin bin Ahmad Fazri. Number metric is CE200124. Next, I will show you the type of sensor and actuators that used in this video of production line. We can see the first image is chemical sensor, capacitive sensor, relay, solenoid valve, and lastly is electropneumatic. Then I will explain about the function of this type of sensor. The first sensor is chemical sensor. Chemical sensor is device that measures and recognizes chemicals in an analyte and turns the result into electronic data. Next is capacitive sensor. Capacitive sensor is electronic device capable of detecting solid or liquid targets without direct contact. Next is the function of this type of actuator. The first actuator is relay. Relay is device that operate as an electrical switch, opening and closing under electromagnetic conditions. Next is solenoid. Solenoid is to actuate brake or clutch mechanisms, hydraulic valve, or device that require a push-pull motion. And lastly, there is electropneumatic. Electropneumatic is to use fresh air as an energy source, which is subsequently converted into mechanical motion. That's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum and a very good day. My name is Muhammad HAIKAL AZMI and my metric number is CE 200-123, and today I want to present the operation or application of sensor and the actuator. From the video that show the production process of our lubricant in Repsol factory, the picture below state the operation of chemical sensor and capacitive sensor. The filling line has the chemical sensor that green color indicate that sensor allow lubricant to be filled and detect when the lubricant have filled or full at the bottle. The sensor indicate show the red color, change to the red color. The capacity sensor has been used at the line to detect the present of the bottle and stop the bottle to refuel. And they provide liner action is for the operation of the solenoid. Next, the robot packer Repsol lubricant at the box. The picture below show the automatic case packer, the robot packer Repsol lubricant at the box. The electropneumatic will pick the bottle of Repsol lubricant into the box. That's all from me. Thank you.
So for sensor, there are chemical sensor and capacitive sensor. As we know, in the chemical sensor, it detects chemical and then converts it into electrical data. But there are two main parts of the chemical sensor, which are the photochemical and photometric. They are used to find the concentration or changes in the chemical. Chemical sensors tend to be very sensitive. They can actually detect the changes in the air or in the vapor whenever there's change in the air compound. Is commonly used in fertilizer and petrochemical gas sensor. Next is the capacity sensor. It is able to detect metal, plastic, wood, paper, and glass. They are typically used at station, cafe, and robots. They are also very easily found when you are inside a mall, for example, the automatic doors and escalators. So after they detect a movement or whenever you pass through the door, and before you pass through the door, it detects human, and then the door will automatically open, and or the skeleton when it detects a human, you start to turn on and move. Next, actuator. The first one is relay. The operator based on an electrical control signal as opposed to a toggle switch that is operated by the human hand. This is very common inside the switch. So whenever a start push button is pressed, it will hold the button and so it will always turn on. Next is solenoid. When a control voltage is applied, the core becomes electromagnetic and move the core. Solenoid is very typically found in automation, especially the name as the solenoid valve. It also can be found in a stability system or air condition control. Next is the electropneumatic. It is used to control the compressed air by applying electrical power to a directional control valve. They are typically found in most factory because they are tend to be low cost and practical to use.